Today I'm going to be scrapping out this well pump. These things, as you see, it's got a little bit of copper wire on it, stainless steel, and inside here is where the motor is. I am hoping this motor is going to be copper. Almost all of the ones I have found, there's been a plaster over the motor, so I'll just turn it in as a motor if it is. But what I'm going to do, cut these wires off, cut these bolts off, separate this. Sometimes when you separate it, some old nasty water seeps out and gets all over the place, but that's what's going to happen. Then we're going to cut around and cut down, separate the stainless. Inside this, there's going to be like some baffles, like a suppressor. Then we're going to come down here and do the same thing and expose the motor. All right, let's get this sucker done. I'm gonna cut these bolts off. All right, now we got that separated. Sometimes I don't want to play, beat the hell out of it. Wax. One nice chunk of stainless. Take these two screws out. Take that off. Now, take these two off. Another chunk of stainless. See, on the inside it's just some baffles with another stainless steel rod, but I usually don't mess with that one. Now we're going to cut around, and then we're going to cut down on both sides. This one is a little bit harder to get off. All right, let's see if it works. Now this is the part that sometimes gets a little bit hard, getting it out. Now we're going to try to pry this off. Nope. Can you see it? Right there. The plaster. This is where I'm stopping. I kind of figured it would be, but eventually one day I'll find one that doesn't have the plaster on it.